Hi there guys, welcome to day 2 of Paid Ads Success Secrets Crash Course. Now in this particular lesson we're going to talk about Google Ads Focus. But before that, I just want to be very clear about one thing, that in my Paid Ads Success Secrets full module, full course, which you can access via the link below this video, I will not be talking about Facebook ads at all. Alright, my focus is more in Google Ads and as well as Bing Ads. Now, why not Facebook ads? Well, Facebook ads, if you're familiar with it, it's very easy for you to get your ad account disapproved, your entire business manager disapproved, so and so forth. Of course, there are various ways to go around doing it, but at the end of the day, it requires different setup altogether, all right, to actually create multiple accounts to bypass the so-called security eye of Facebook, like as if you were impersonating someone else. So that is the number one reason why I don't like to talk about Facebook ads. Second thing will be in terms of the efficiency of Facebook ads, because Facebook ads focus mainly on interest targeting. But ever since the iOS 14.5 updates, this interest targeting efficiency has actually reduced tremendously. Okay, of course there'll be a lot of people saying that I can bypass, I can bypass all the privacy settings. I can still get the data that I want. But no matter how, it is not going to be as efficient as Google Ads and Bing Ads moving forward. Google Ads. There are three main topics that we're going to talk about under Google Ads. The first one will be Google Search Ads, next Google Display Ads, and finally Google Video Ads, which is also known as YouTube Video Ads. Now, in case you're not aware, Google is the parent company of YouTube. So if you were to set up a YouTube video ad, you will actually be going to the Google Ads platform to do so. Just like Instagram is owned by Facebook, if you want to place an advertisement on Instagram, you will do so via the Facebook Business Manager account. When it comes to search ad, display ads, or video ads, end of the day, you are driving traffic to your respective landing pages or your websites. And from there, that's where you start to gather data of people who visit certain pages, so that you can set up your conversions tracking, so on and so forth. Okay, but this is not the emphasis of this particular lesson on today. What I want to do is to share with you the differences between the three. What are search ads, what are display ads, and what are video ads? So let's take a look at what are search ads. For example, if you were to go to google.com and you do a search on best affiliate marketing program, or rather best affiliate program for beginners, you'll see this word here, AD. So these four that you see over here are basically paid search ads. Now, this is one way for you to bypass all the hassle about SEO, optimization, so on and so forth, in order to rank your page on page 1 of Google. So what these people are doing is basically they pay Google to make sure that whenever people key in certain search results, their ads will be shown. So this is what we mean by keywords targeting. Alright, so this is not interest targeting per se, this is keywords targeting, which is actually a very precise way of knowing what exactly the person is interested to know at this point in time. So it's even more focused, more laser targeted than interest targeting, isn't it? Alright, so this is for Google Search Ads. Now, Google Display Ads, like for example, if you go to popular websites or news website like the Herald Times, sometimes you will see advertisements here at the top column. You can also see advertisements over here, and these are most of the time Google Display Ads. How do I know that? Very simple. This is a particular ad, okay? It also shows the word AD here. This is also an ad. Now, if you were to click on the cross button, you will see ads by Google. So this is a very typical Google Display Ad. Now, for Google Display Ad, generally it works best for remarketing purpose, not for collection of data. The click-through rates for Google Display Ads is one of the lowest. However, it is very good in terms of creating brand awareness, in terms of bringing people back to the funnel that you actually wanted them to proceed on, be whether it's step 2, step 3, step 4 of the funnel process before they eventually convert into a sales. Alright, so Google Display Ads, just remember, it is mainly meant for demographics and as well as behavioral interests of your consumers. Last but not least, you have Google Video Ads. So this is an example of a Google Video Ad. Alright, you also have this thing called a companion banner, which is related to the particular video ad that you're seeing. Okay, so this is a 30 seconds video. Now, if I were to run this video continuously, you see that the timer here is being counted down. I'm sure you have seen this kind of video ads many times. Okay, but however, a lot of times you might actually miss out this companion banner. Let me just show you something very interesting. The moment you skip this ad, alright, so this is the actual video that I wanted to watch. It's a K-pop artist concert. But you can see that the companion banner is still here. So of course, over time, if you continue proceeding watching this video, depending on how long it is, this companion banner will actually change. Now, one thing good about Google Video Ads is generally if your video is less than 30 seconds, Google is not going to charge you anything for it. Number two, they have this companion ad here, all right, which also helps you to increase possible conversions. Even though they skip the ad, but they still see your companion ad, they might possibly click on this start now. Right? So once they click on your ad, or if they watch more than 30 seconds of your ad, that is the only time that you will be charged. Now bear in mind that Google Ads and Bing Ads are PPC campaigns, all right, or we call it pay-per-click campaigns. So this is how you distinguish between the three. Let me just go back again to here. All right, so you must be very certain, like for example, when I'm running this particular search ads now, is it a test campaign or is it a remarketing campaign? And if I do remarket, do I need to do search ads, or is it better if I do display ads and YouTube ads? All right, so this is the classifications of the three, and I will see you again in day 3, which is the next email that I'll send you tomorrow. And feel free to always join my Facebook group, which I also leave a link below, and you can always ask me any questions pertaining to paid ads from there. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow for the next lesson.